This air fryer is more complicated than a Rubik's Cube. What can be a better option than this and less confusing? Introducing the Nutricook Air Fryer Mini 3.3 liters. The mini yet mighty device that's about to revolutionize the way you cook. If you are new to the concept of air frying, then this is the perfect beginner-friendly air fryer for you. Let's start by plugging the 16 ampere plug in the socket. Press the power button to start the air fryer. The Air Fryer Mini offers 8 one-touch cooking programs, which includes 4 cooking programs and 4 preset functions. Let's start by understanding the first 4 cooking programs. First is the air fry function. This cooking program allows you to cook fries, sabu dana vada, patties, cutlet, nuggets, pani puris puri, etc. The bake function can be used to bake cakes, cookies, cupcakes, muffins, naan khatais, pizza, etc. The roast function is perfect to roast chicken, paneer, fish, sweet potatoes, soya beans, almonds, etc. Reheat function lets you warm up any type of food and leftovers efficiently. Reheating pizza is a breeze with this cooking function. Additionally, these 4 icons at the bottom represent specific cooking presets for particular dishes. Starting with fries, chicken, burgers, patty, and steak. If you want to make fries, all you have to do is press this fries button. It will automatically come up with a specified temperature and time. Just hit the start button to start the cooking process. Similar process can be used for chicken, burger patty, and steak. It is always advisable to preheat your air fryer before making any recipe. Let's start by baking some cupcakes. Click on the Bake preset to start the process and press the Start button. Once the preheat process is done, the air fryer will make a beep sound. Open the basket and add the cupcake mold in the basket. Once you close the basket, the air fryer will start baking the cupcakes at a preset temperature of 150 degrees for a time duration of 30 minutes. You can change the time and temperature according to your preferences. This beep notification tells us our fluffy cupcakes are ready. Let's prepare an appetizing paneer tikka. Press on the roast function to start the process and click on the Start button. As you can see, the air fryer automatically starts preheating at 3 minutes. Since the air fryer was already in use, the preheat process can be skipped by pressing the Skip Preheat button. Let's add the paneer in the basket. Once the air fryer basket is closed, the air fryer will start the roast function at a preset temperature of 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The air fryer gives a shake reminder halfway through the cooking with a beep sound and shake reminder written on the cooking status indicator. Gently open the basket, shake or flip the paneer, and then close the basket. The enjoy notification tells us that our appetizing paneer tikka is ready. Let's make chicken steak in a healthier way. Press the steak icon and click on the Start button. Once the preheat is done, add the chicken in the basket. Delicious and juicy chicken steak is ready. Do not keep anything on the air fryer. It is advisable to use the air fryer in an open space, or else exhaust hot air could get trapped and damage the machine. Do not use plastic containers, steel vessels, butter paper, etc. While cleaning manually, do not use the hard side of the scrubber. Always use the soft side of the scrubber. Take your basket to the sink and place it under running water. Cleaning up is a breeze. The non-stick air fryer basket and cooking tray are dishwasher safe and incredibly easy to clean. Compact in size, big in taste, the Air Fryer Mini, your ticket to a tastier and healthier kitchen experience.